Now we're going to talk about installing your Xtreme heaters. Remember, this is a true forced air heater, so if you need to mount this on a wall or upside down under a hatch, you're not going to affect the way the heater runs at all. It will handle that perfect conditions. Now we put some screen print on the back of the heater. There's a tricolor LED there that kind of lets you know what's going on with your heater at that time. So please mount it where you can get and see this LED. So when you first plug this in the first time, the light is going to start turning green. It's going into a self-test mode. So the light will turn on and off green, and that'll happen for 10 seconds. We run the fan, we're testing the thermostat, we're testing the electronics to make sure it is completely ready. And when it turns solid green, you know your heater is ready to work. Okay, now the heater has turned solid green. That tells the consumer that the heater is ready to do its job. We also sell Xtreme Heaters freeze spray. And what you can do with this freeze spray, anytime that you install for the first time, if you're curious, you just blast the thermostat here for about 1.5 seconds. You should hear that click turn on. You see the LED turn red for you, and that tells you you're in heating mode. It will take about 30 seconds because we do a slow ramp up to take it easy on all the electricity in your boat. So we do a slow ramp up, bring in the heat nice and gentle, and in about 15 to 30 seconds, you should feel warm air coming out of the end of this. And we did put a really awesome fan in here, so you can feel that a long way away. And the more we circulate, the better we do our job. So if you need to put something tight to one end where it's pulling in, that's okay. Give us a little bit of room on the outside edge. Give us room to circulate that warm air around. Okay, so now the heater has done its job and it's registering the ambient air temperature. It's got to 55 degrees and it's gonna shut off. And what happens is you'll see the LED now turns to orange. That means your heater is in cool down mode. This cool down mode will last for 10 minutes. So what we do is there's residual heat in the heater. We're evacuating that residual heat out. We're also pulling ambient air past the thermostat. So what we're doing is trying to reset the entire heater down to ambient temperature and evacuate all the free heat that we already have built. And this allows us to re-register whatever the air temperature is in that engine compartment much faster.